Hi. 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 Hi.
And it threw me off the map.
I think we missed one. No. Ain't no way.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you led me into the pit of death. Your wheel. I just ran.
And that's a pole.
Can this thing stop spinning wheels? Did you? No. Go this way. You. Come on. Isaac, stop! You're not funny.
Oh, I'm hilarious. Anyway.
Yeah, we off-roading the beat. We off-roading the beat. Woo-hoo! This thing is huge. I mean, huge. Oh, slow down.
I flipped.
How did you flip?
How do you think?
We're back on the main road. Slow down so we can find another trail. Oh, right here.
You know it'd be sick? Okay, I flipped again.
Ain't no way.
You know it'd be sick if there were four-wheelers.
Yeah. And dirt bikes. Dirt bikes would be pretty cool. Oh! Can I even fit in this? I can. My mirror
I'm
got,
switching cars.
my mirror got knocked off. When you switch cars, go right.
Sure.
And then just stop at the main road. Does my car not have a reverse?
Oh, is this the one you're in?
My car doesn't have a reverse. Oh, it has a park. Okay, that makes sense. This car is really powerful. Are you coming?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna come back to you, bro. Give me a sec. Oh, you! So when I told you I was coming back to you, the first thing that popped in mind was I should go the same exact way going 30 miles an hour? Or 80 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Alright, find another dirt road.
There's one right by me.
Oh, you!
Nice going.
Dude, this car is too big. What car are you in?
Come on.
That's a nice car.
For real. Oh, I passed one.
Oh my god.
There's
Oh,
one
you!
behind me.
Oh, you did that. Dude, this thing is so nice. Oh! Dude, this car is so nice.
It's a giant truck.
Yeah, I know, but it's like super powerful. It's like driving a rally car.
I know what you're in.
Oh! Good thing I, oh shit. Good thing I reset myself. Something bad could have happened with that tree. I could have killed it.
Yeah.
I could have stopped Mr. Beast from saving the planet with trees. That would have been one tree gone. God
Wow.
damn. Holy shit. Isaac. Slow down when you get over here.
I don't think I will.
No! No, you didn't have to do that, bro.
You want to hurry up?
Alright, bro, let's go. So ass bitch.
We're in the same car.
I'm lagging.
I can tell.
Where'd you go?
So you kind of glitched into me while you were lagging,
Oh.
and it threw me off the map.
I think we missed one. No. Ain't no way. How did you perfectly do that?
Perfectly do what?
You perfectly flipped over me.
I don't even know.
What the hell? Why can I only drive one way, Isaac? Can I brake? Where are the brakes at?
Turn left.
That's weird. I can't even see the trail. What the kind of trail was this?
Oh, it's a jump.
How am I stuck? What? Oh.
Just drive
Oh,
towards
bet.
me, Rylan.
Oh. Oh, how did I perfectly land that? My car isn't even halfway damaged. Damn. Oh. I accidentally reset myself. I pressed the button by accident. Are you...
Man, you suck at driving.
You're good. Keep going.
Oh,
Where are you
there's one
going?
right here.
I thought you missed. I thought you missed the trail. Alright, I'm gonna go in third person. Damn. Oh,
I'm going first
why is
person.
this car
Okay.
so... Why is this car so hard to drive in third person?
It's easy to drive in third person.
No, I can't drive in third person. I can only drive in first. I'm a driver in first. I ain't a driver in third. Third though. Oh, we did a full...
Oh, I guess it's because I can control the camera and stuff.
Oh! I just ran over your bumper. Hey, slow down, slow down. There's one right here. It goes back in.
Did where?
God.
Strategic turning, Rylan.
You went the opposite direction.
Strategic turning.
I don't really want to be in front of you because I know you're gonna fuck me up. Oh shit! I f***ed myself up.
Nice going. How are you turned around? Turn around.
Because I hit a fucking tree. It's no, you didn't. Oh my god! Move! Why are you swerving?
Oh, okay.
Oh, you led me into the pit of death.
I'm actually okay.
You led me into a ditch. The biggest ditch I've ever seen in my life. You know me, Isaac. I'm a driver. I'm an Uber driver.
I never went to Uber driver.
Oh! Why does this
I
car
heard
just
that.
fold? This car literally
I hope
folds.
I heard that.
Once you hit a tree, it's over. Like, your car is done.
Oh, there's a turn, Rylan.
That.
Yeah, I know what you mean. The entire back of it
Strategic
is gone.
turning. I flipped.
Into a tree. Got it. You can't be like me, Ron. You can't strategic turn like I can.
God damn it. Damn, bro. Dude, can this thing stop spinning wheels? Did you... No. Hey, no way. What did you
Going a
just
little too
do?
fast. Going a little
Go
too
right.
fast. To go left.
Ooh, let's go in this field. No, you didn't have to, bro.
In the field we go. Oh, that's a river. Wait, what the heck?
Is this like a dirt course? Oh! Oh, I jump it. I jumped the... What the f... What the fuck is happening? Why am I in first gear? Isaac, I'm a driver. Did my mirror just fall? No. What just hit? Where did I just hit? Okay.
Hit your bumper.
Oh!
You might want to reset your car, bro.
My car is perfectly fine.
No, it isn't.
Oh, tree. Keep going straight.
That's okay. How is my tire back there? This car is so like brittle or so malleable. How's it going there?
Pretty good.
Rylan, reset your car. It looks like it's okay.
Come on, wait. I'm really a driver. I'm really a driver. Oh shit, tree. I really said oh shit, a tree in a f***ing forest. Oh my god. It's good. I'm on another trail.
They intersect.
Your wheel. I just ran.
And that's a pole. Thanks for that round.
No problem. You really fucking killed me. Oh, let's go to the log yard. Bro, you don't have to do that.
I do though.
What the fuck? Who hurt you, Isaac?
You!
I'm drifting in the dirt, Isaac. Except this thing doesn't have a clutch or an e-brake, so.
It's a jump, Riley.
Yes, sir. Who the fuck? Why do you stop in the middle of the goddamn road? Oh! How did all of my wheels fall off? These things are so unreliable. I'm going back to O'Reilly and getting a new pair. God damn it. Where are you at? How did you end up down there? You... Yeah,
You gotta do this, Rylan. You gotta go the other way of the ramp, and you go
What?
flying.
Why do I want to go
Like, hi.
flying?
Rylan, I wonder if I can do my magic trick on this car.
What's your magic?
You know what my magic trick is. Ready? What just happened? There we go. Oh, Rylan! I'm just driving the shell again.
How do you just drive
Except
the
it
shell?
won't-
Where's the fucking tires?
Never mind, it's gone.
I'm going back to muddy. Goodbye. Bye, Isaac. Oh. How did I somehow get back in the log yard? This is bullshit.
But it's a circle.
Bus stop.
Nice going, Rylan.
What did I do? Dude, the amount
Your
of
car.
pollution I'm putting in the air right now with my exhaust pipe, bro. I could just see brown smoke coming out of my fucking exhaust.
Rylan,
I'm
your
gonna go down
car
here.
is literally hanging on by a thread.
I knew you was gonna try and kill me. How did I somehow get out of that with no damage?
Oh, said, how did I come out there with no damage and is in a tree?
Alright, so what happened was you tried to hit me, and I swerved off the road.
I know. So my plan worked either way.
No, actually, you severed more damage than I did.
I severed more
fuck is
damage?
this?
That doesn't make any sense.
You occurred more damage than I did.
Occurred
Wait.
more damage?
You know, how did you come back? You know what? Nah, we're finna roleplay. Come back.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Go back into the house.
Roleplay.
Get back into the house. Get in. Hey, you think you can fucking beat me? You think you can fucking beat me? I'm your older brother.
What?
Fuck you, bitch.
Did you just buy steroids in your car?
Oh, that's my house. No, you. Come on, Isaac. You coming?
Hold on.
Alright, try and find another trail. I think I just
What's
missed
it roleplay?
Whoa. Turn left.
No, you. You said roleplay.
Oh, I'm at a mansion. Isaac, I own a mansion.
You ain't no crap.
This is like a barn mansion. What is this? That is the smallest
Right.
porch I've ever seen in my entire life.
Ron,
Come
you
park
probably
up.
own a tree.
Come
and
park
that's
up.
it. Rylan, a piece of you just killed me.
Come park up.
You like lost a bumper or something, and it got stuck under my car, and I couldn't turn, and I ran into a tree.
No way, you just did that. Oh my god.
Hmm?
Why
Hmm?
is this bitch in a fucking... What is this? Come on, bro.
Why is the car?
Yo,
What is
calm
happening?
down. Bro, you got some anger issues, bro. You landed right now. You are you incested my car. Incested. Why you fucking my car, bro? You know what? I'm so fucking done with your bullshit.
This is all your fault, Roland.
I'm so fucking done with your bullshit. I'm leaving drinks.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're done. We're over.